Hey guys, my name is Sky. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a tutorial on this purple halo smoky eyes that I have going on here. I hope you enjoy it. I will see you at the end. So to start, I'll be going in with this neutral brown eyeshadow that I have right in my crease area, smoothing that out back and forth just to get a clean base for transition. After which, I'm going in with this La Poche palette that I got from a Nigerian brand called Blossom. They have this gorgeous palette that I got, and I'll be using this dark purple shade right on my eyes, along the inner and outer corners of my eyes, just to create like a beginning of a halo eye. So I'm just packing that on with a small eyeshadow brush and smoothing that out. Then I'll begin to push up that dark color right into my crease area, preparing to join both sides of my eyes right in the middle of my crease, creating that halo. So next I'll use this light lavender shade in the same palette to blend out those the two dark purple sides right into my crease area, completing the halo. I'm then going in with a clean blending brush just to clean up everything I've applied on my face so far. So I'm just swiping that back and forth very briefly. Then I'll be taking the main color of the show, this plain bold purple eyeshadow color. I really love this color so much, it's so gorgeous. So I'm just going in with that color, smack in the middle of my lid where I've left that space that you can see. So I'm just applying this with a flashed I'm going in with a flat synthetic brush to apply this shade right on top of my lids. Guys, my lid space is so large, as you can see, so sometimes I struggle with just packing on so much color. But anyway, so I'm just packing this color on my lid, making sure that the ends get smoothed out into the other shades that I've put on before. Then I'm going in with the blending brush, the clean blending brush, just to make sure that all the colors are smooth and properly applied. This is basically the concept of the look. So I'm just going to go with the lighter lavender shade that I used in my crease. I'm just going to swipe that underneath my lower lash line. And blend again. I'm just going to rush through the other eye since you already saw the process with the first eye. So I'm just going to rush through to complete the look, and I'll be back. So I'm just cleaning up the entire eyes with my initial brown transition color. I like to do this last step just to seal up my entire upper eye area. And then I will just complete my lower lash line area. I started with the other eye, but I'm just going to complete the look here. So I'm starting out with the transition lavender color that I've used first, and then I'm just putting that below my lash line, and then I'm going to go in with the darker no, my main purple color, the one I have right in the middle of my lid. So I'll just be going over my inner corners, my inner tear duct area. I'm just applying that with a small flat brush just to give that area a little bit more color and pizzazz. I said pizzazz, guys. Then one last time, I'm just going to be cleaning up the entire eyes with my clean blending brush to make sure it's all neat and finished. And then I'm just going in with some small mascara. I'll be wearing falsies, so I'm just applying the mascara first just to clean my lashes and prepare it for the falsies. So I've gone ahead to make this quickly. I've gone ahead to do my lashes, my liner, everything, and also my highlight and the beginning of my contour. So I'm just wiping off all the setting powder that I have on my face. Then I'll be lightly setting my contour area with some dark brown eyeshadow. And also doing my nose too. I'm just blending out my entire face with a clean powder brush just to make sure everything is smooth and blended together. And I'm applying some highlighter to the high points of my face. I'm very light-handed with my highlighter, as you can see, and my contour too. I don't like the heavy, overly chiseled look. I just keep it very light. Anyway, for my lips, I'm keeping it nude and simple. I'm just lining my lips with the Zaron Cappuccino pencil like I always do, and then blending that out with my lips. And then I'll be using this nude lip gloss from mi.ni. It's also a local Nigerian brand. I will give all their details in the description bar below, so check that out. So I'll be using this nude lip gloss all over my lips just to give me a little bit of color and shine. It's such a good lip gloss, guys. Check them out, and the products are very affordable and very high quality also. Anyway, I'm just cleaning up my face with some powder, and yeah, this is the look, guys. So purple, so pretty, and also packs a punch. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the section below. I'll be responding there. And also, please guys, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit that button, hit the bell also, so that you know when I upload a new video. And also, of course, recommend my channel to everybody. Share my content, just support me generally. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.